Right, greetings everybody. I'm here in Midland and they are now selling lies in a vending machine. I lived in Japan for many years and you can find all sorts of things in a vending machine. Things which everybody needs and it's very convenient. But now we can get your rat test in a vending machine in the food court. Unbelievable. A vending machine of lies. Well done, Mark and Gowan. Here are some of your supplies of the warehouse full of rat tests that you bought when there was no pandemic. What a disgrace. Till my next video, I'm going to say bye.